Hello dear students, in this video we will discuss the level of organizations. The level of organization related to the three types of terms. These are known as cellular level of organization, tissue level of organization and organ level of organization. In the case of cellular level of organization, they are basically found in the multicellular organisms. But in these multicellular organisms have not coordination between the cells. It means each and every individual cell have got their own per function. Example, sponge. Second level of organization is tissue level of organization. In this organization, when different types of cells combine together, then they are converted into the tissues and tissue perform particular function. It means the cell are coordinating and they are working together. Example, Hydra. Another example, organ level of organization. Organ level of organization basically found in the higher animals. Just example, human beings. We know that human beings are multicellular and different types of cells combine together, then they convert into tissues, and whenever different types of tissues combine together, then they convert into organ. When different types of organs combine together, then they convert into the organ system. In this way, from cell to till then the organ system, there is a organ level of organization, and they all have tendency to cooperate with each other. This is known as organ level of organization. Example, human beings or higher animals. Now, body plans. There are different types of body plans. They are known as cell aggregate body plan, blend sac body plan, tube with tube body plan, tube within tube body plans. What are they? Have a look. First of all, body plan. First, cell aggregate body plan. In this body plan, each cell is working freely. It means each and every cell have tendency to work freely, and there is no coordination between them. Example, sponge. This is known as cell aggregate body plan. Second is known as blend sac body plan. Blend sac body plans means the particular organ or particular organism have got only one types of opening. Either it should be anus or mouth. But the anus and mouth, they both act as like a dual nature. For example, only one opening is present in the particular organism, single outcome will take place. It means suppose the particular human organism have got only mouth, so mouth is act as like an anus also. It means ingulf process also takes place from here and the outcome is also takes place from here. यानी एक ही होलो पार्ट्स, एक ही आपकी ओपनिंग से क्या होता है, माउथ और एनस की तरह वर्क करा जाता है. And this is known as incomplete digestive system. It is a part of incomplete digestive system. So this is known as blend sac body plan. यानी कि एक पोर्शन ही खुला हुआ है, बाकी सारे क्या है, बंद है. Now tube within tube body plan. Tube within tube body plan basically found in the animals have complete digestive system. It means they have mouth which play a very important role in ingestion, and they have also anus which play a very important role in egestion, to reduce or transfer the waste material from the body time to time. It means indirectly we can say that they have separate mouth and anus parts. It is known as tube within tube body plan. Now, what are the blastopores? We know that zygote convert into embryo, and after the cell division, embryo convert into different types of bunch of the cells, which is known as blastomere. Further, whenever the blastopore will arise, there is a groove-like structure. Whenever the blastopore arise, these blastopores play a very important role to change into the mouth and the anus part. Whenever these blastopores change into the mouth part, they are known as protostomium or protostomes. Whenever these blastopores convert into the anus part, they are known as deuterostomes. This is very important part. And these blastopore, whenever they convert into mouth, they are known as protostomes, and these protostomes conditions basically found in all phyla except echinodermates and chordates. Echinodermates और chordates में कंडीशन नहीं होती है, बाकी सारे के सारे फाइलम में कंडीशन पाई जाती है, in which blastomere convert into mouth. Now second, blastomere convert into anus. This condition found in known as deuterostome, and basically it is found in echinodermates and chordates. केवल echinodermates और chordates में मिलती है. So in this way, in this segment, body plan is covered by us, level of organization is also covered, and aquatic and the terrestrial level of or habitat is also covered by us. In next video, we will discuss the symmetry.